state park volunteers guide you through a relaxing and informative nature. You might want to put this on your list of things to do when you visit us again. As we descend from the mountaintop, you see below you the desert cities of the Coachella Valley.
Right, Tower
Straight
5, let's hear it.
line of travel is the city of Desert Hot Springs with Highway 62. That's the road to Joshua Tree to the city's left. Closer to us and to the right of our travel is the city of Palm Springs.
Only on the way up.
Going farther to the right of our travel is Cathedral City, Rancho Mirage, Indian Wells, Palm Desert, La Quinta, Indio, and Coachella. You may have noticed on your way up the many windmills you see to the left of our travel. Those whirling blades are powered by the almost constant winds that pour out of the mouth of the Banning Tank. The electricity that these windmills generate is sufficient to power thousands of homes in our state. Well, why don't you kick back and enjoy the view of our beautiful Coachella Valley, and I'll be back in a couple of minutes.
It's really far down there. Oh my goodness.
Well, there's the helicopter pad. Oh, there's another one right there.
That was one where I take Chakma. Right, number 3.
We're about halfway home now, and it's your last chance, at least on this trip, to breathe in some of that fresh mountain air.
Here's our friends. Wow. Wave at our friends.
No, they don't come up past that. So they don't see them here. You see them a lot more in the valley. Golf courses are
below us, you'll soon be able to see the roof of the tank that stores the water collected from the streams that flow in the canyon. That water, and for that matter, all of the food, materials, and other provisions that are used in the mountain station have to be transported up on these tram cars. Water from the mountain station is pumped into the tanks that attach to the bottom of the cars, which are then emptied at the mountain station. Each car can carry 800 gallons of water. Now, we limit that depending on how many guests we're transporting in each car. We'll be pulling into the Valley Station dock in just a few minutes. We know that you take with you memories of a great adventure of your visit to a state park that encompasses 13,000 acres of pristine wilderness, 54 miles of hiking trails, and 6 primitive campgrounds. But I doubt you covered it all today. Depending on the time of the year you visit Mount San Jacinto, you could see one or more of the 14 different mammals who call the mountain home. From deer mice, California myotis bat, ring-tailed cat, and the bobcat to maybe a mountain lion or coyote. They're all there to see. Or you might spot some of the 63 species of birds, such as the golden eagle, Steller's jay, dark-eyed junco, red-tailed hawk, white-headed woodpecker. You get my point. There's just too much to be experienced in just one visit to this magnificent mountain. So we're almost at the Valley Station, and it's time to remind you to be careful going home. Oh, and by the way, if you didn't have a chance to shop for that souvenir while on the mountain, you might want to visit our Valley Station gift shop. You'll find it in the lobby on your way out. We've enjoyed having you as our guests and look forward to your next visit to the Palm Springs aerial tramway.
Yeah, last tower.
No, that's not real. I thought it was real.